Hello, my dear children. Hope you all are just studying well at your home and you all are very well at your home. Today we will study subject maths. Okay, so open your book maths. Here you can see the topic addition. Okay, we will learn today addition. So for that you have to just open that page number 22. Okay, here. What is the spelling of addition? Addition. That one is that spelling of addition. Addition means we have to add, join. Okay? Suppose we are having one marker, two marker. And here we have joined one more. So it will become 3. Right? So similarly, like we are having one color and added one more. So one separate, when added, it will become 2. Right? Suppose you are having 2 chocolates with you and your mama given one more. So it will become what? 3. Right? Love eating chocolates? Okay. So you are having that one banana. Your grandfather given one more banana, it will become 2, right? So that is the addition. This way we will learn the addition here. Here in your book you can see that some pictures are there. This way you will learn and study also. I'll tell you how. Just see on the one branch how many birds? 1, 2, 3 birds. The second picture, that you see that 2 more join them, 2 more added. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you can see 5 birds. So this picture 3 birds, added 2 more here, and that addition of that will be the 5. 2 birds there added. Okay, on the one branch 3 birds were sitting, 2 added. So 3 plus 2 is what? 5. When will you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? How many birds were there? 3. Added 2 more birds. And total these are 5. When we added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Here you can see that. So 3 birds plus 2 birds equal to what? Count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many all these? 5 birds. Got it? How many birds? 5 birds. Okay? So next you do, just see that 0 in addition. We will learn now 0 in addition. When we add 0, what will be the answer? When we add 0, then what will be the answer? Suppose we are having which number? 6 number, added 0. 0 means nothing, nothing. So 6 plus 0 will be the answer 6 only. Okay? Where 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Suppose we are having one water bottle. One water bottle is with me and added nothing. Plus 0. So 0 is nothing. So how many bottle I am having? One only. Okay? Suppose I am having one crayon box, okay, and added nothing. One box is there, added nothing, 0. So how many with me? 1. Okay. Just see 3 colors, added nothing, no colors added. So how many colors there? 3 only. Okay. So this way we can just learn that addition 0 in number means nothing. Here you can see that in a basket. How many oranges there? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 oranges, and added 0 means nothing. So total, when we again just total there, that nothing added means 0 added. So same 8 is there also in answer also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 oranges in your answer also, alright? Now, here some numbers are there from 2 to 9, added 0, answer will, that is same there. 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 plus 0 is 4, 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 0 is 7, 8 plus 0 is 8, 9 plus 0 is 9. Suppose, and when we add 10 plus 0, and it will be that answer will be 10 plus 0 is what? 10. It's 10. Similarly, 15 plus 0, answer will be 15. Like many more numbers, okay? Here you see that in this picture adding 1 means we are adding 1. 1, if we are adding 1 in any number, answer will be the next number. Like we are having that 1 mark, added 1 more. So what comes after 1? 2. So answer will be 2. Right? 1 color and added 2 more. So what? Sorry, means 2 colors added 1. So what will be the answer? What comes after 2? 3. So added 1 more color, it will become 3. Right? So you can see that in one park there is 1 cat. How many cats there? 1 cat. 1 cat, and we added 1 more cat. So 1 plus 1 means what comes after 1? 2. So answer will be 2. Right? 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Right? We can show here 2 cats. Right? Answer will be 2. Okay? So when we add 1 in any number with any digit, answer will be the next number. Suppose we are having that 14 number plus added 1. So what comes after 14? 15. So answer will be 15. Right? Suppose we are having 11 and plus added 1. What comes after 11? 12. Right? We are having number 7, added 1. What comes after 7? 8. Right? Now, addition on number line. We will learn that addition on number line. This way, very easily you can learn addition, number line. For that you have to just draw a line. Okay. On this line, number from 0 to 10 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very easy if you are having that number line with you from that 1 to 10. So this way you can just learn easily that addition. Digit 4 plus 5. How will you add it? Just go at the 4 and take 5 jumps more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have reached at that answer. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what will be the answer? That will be that 9. Okay? Now, one more example just showing you here. Addition on number line. Just draw a line. Again number. You write till 10. Starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it? Now you had this digit here 7 plus 2. Now just see what will be the answer 7 plus 2. Just see there. Take jump 7 number and add 2. 2 jumps. 1 jump, 2 jump. We reach at the answer. What will be the answer? 9. This way you can learn addition on number line. Alright? Next, open page number 24. Count and add. Okay? You have done in your previous classes also count and write. Like this is the way we can learn count and add. Okay? Here you see. Spelling of count, C-O-U-N-T, count, and add, A-double-T, add. How will you add? Just I'll tell you here, count and add. Again, just showing you. How many crayons count? 1, 2, one side. How many crayons there one side? 3. 3 or 1? This is 1. 2 and 1. When we add, it will become 3. 2, 1. It will become 3. This way you can count through pictures also. 1 ball, 2 ball, 3 ball, one side, 1 ball, 2 ball, another side. So how many all there? Count it. 1, 2, 3. And this side 1, 2. So what will be the answer? 3 and 2. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many balls? 5. All together 5. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will be the answer? This block you write 5. Okay? This way you can do here in your book also. Just see. How many flower was? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you write 6. First block. Second side 1, 2. The second block you write 2. And here count all together total. The third block you write the total number of the vase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total of 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Answer is 8. Okay. Now this way also see that next picture 4. How many pictures there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 picture of the word, you write 4 here, first block, and next 1, 2, 3, you write 3 here, and all total count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer will be 7. First picture see 3, 1, 2, 3. How many picture? 3 written here. Just write there 3. 1, 2. Next picture see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You write 7 here and count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, there you can see that 10 pictures of that. So, answer will be 10. Okay. Now, let's add more. We will learn more additions. Now, just see that 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. And what will be the answer? How will you count it? Easy way, make circles. 1, 2, 3 circle one side and 2 circle one side. Now count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will be the answer? 5. This way you can do all work, all addition of the page. Okay? Here you see 9 plus 1. So no need to just make that 9 circles. Just what the next number is what? What comes after 9? So answer will be that 10. For this you do not need anything. Okay? Similarly, next question you see 8 plus 0. What will be answer? You have to just draw 8? No. Answer will be only 8 because 0 is nothing. You have to keep in mind 0 is nothing. Okay? This way you can do this addition. Okay? All numbers just add and write that answer. Okay? Here. Next easy method shown there. Just to write that these numbers, how just will you add? The numbers are written there, how will you add? The easy method is as shown, make circles. First number 6, make 6 circle. That plus addition, plus sign, and that 6 number more. So more circles and color that, then you add. When you do that, you can enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That will be the answer 12 and color. This way do the next question also. 1 circle plus 3 circle. 1 plus 5 circle. 1 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So color all and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Just draw the circles and color with the crayons. You can enjoy, right? So do the next one also yourself. Just see the picture. Just number 4 plus 9. How will you that do? Counting. First 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what will be the addition of that? Count and tell all together. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So addition of 4 plus 9 is what? 13. When you add 4 plus 9, this way you can make circles and color also, and the answer will come when you count together, all together. So 4 and 9 is that 13. Okay? Now that 7 and 9 add. 7 add 7, 9. Just again make circles. Easy method. 7. First 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One side. 9 one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Count all together. 7 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what will be the answer? 16. This way also you can do. Okay? So other exercises that this are there. Do this way and complete the work. Right? Next is what? Next we will do addition vertically. Okay? Vertically this way. 6 and 5. When we write addition this way, it is called addition in vertically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circle. 5 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 are there. Next number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So addition of 6 and 5 answer is what? 9. Addition of 6 and 5 is what? What? Sorry. 6 and 5 is what? 11. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That one is what? 11. 6 and 5. Add again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here you draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next number what? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What will be the answer? Answer is what? 11. Addition of 6 and 5 is what? 11. Okay? Now next. Addition of 8 and 4. Sorry, vertically we are doing. So do that vertical. That 7 plus 7 we will do. 7 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is there. What comes after 7? 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this way also you can do that addition in vertical. Okay? Now, other sums are there. You have to add this way also. Okay? Completed that. Next page, 26 open. That I will tell you that combinations. How will you that add 2 in which combination? That 2 will come. Suppose 2 is there. 2 is there. Right? 1 marker and 1 marker. It makes 2. So 2 is that. 2 color, added 0, nothing, 2 is there. So here you see that 2 plus 0. What will be the answer? Same. When we add 2 plus 0, answer will be 2. Okay? Answer will be 2. Right? When we add 1 plus 1, answer will be 2. So combination of 2 is what? When we add 2 plus 0, then after 2 will come. When we add 1 plus 1, that will 2. That also that 2 will come. Combination of 3. Combination of 3. How will we learn? That this way we will learn. Three plus 0, what will be the answer? 3. Right? 2 plus 1 we add, what will be the answer? 2 plus 1 next number 3. So this way combination of 3 we have learned. Now combination of 4. 2 plus 2, add it, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 plus 0, what will come? 4. 0 is nothing. This combination 4 came. Similarly, the combination of 5 we will do. 3 plus 2, when we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way we got 5. 4 plus 1. This way also we got 5. And 5 plus 0. This way also 5. Got it? Now, here the combination of 6, 7, 8 is done. I have done here for you. And just send you in that worksheet also. So combination of 6 many ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Combination of that 6, 7 ways. When we add, that answer will come 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ways when we add 7. Answer will be the 7. When we add numbers, the answer will come 7. How many ways? 8 ways. Now here 8 ways we will add numbers, the answer will come 8. 8 ways we will add that numbers, answer will come 7. That here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ways when we add 6, that answer will come that 6. Okay? That many ways we can just add the digits and answer will the same way. Suppose for 6 example, when we add 0, combination of answer will 6. When we add 4 plus 2, answer will come 6. When we add 5 plus 1, answer will come 6. So this way that combinations we are learning. That when we add these digits, that addition will be 6. Now the 7, when we add 7 plus 0, answer will be 7. This combination. 4 plus 3, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer 7 combination. Combination of 8 many ways. 4 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That 8 came. Then 8 plus 0 combination. Addition, that will be 8. So this way we can learn that when we add 7 plus 1, it will also 8. So this is called the combinations. Okay, this learning you will do here in your book and can watch the video, can take help of it. I'll give the worksheets also. You will do in your school notebook in very good handwriting. Alright, so thank you class.